Our focus question. Again, the dot plot below represents the shoe sizes for some of the players on the Cleveland Indians baseball team. Using this graph, we're going to determine the range. So remember, yesterday we found the mode, which was the number we saw the most of. Today we're going to find the range, which is going to be the biggest number minus the smallest number. So the biggest number minus the smallest number. Now, let's put our numbers in order from least to greatest. All right, so when we take a look at this graph, there's one Indians player that has a shoe size of 10. One of them has 10.5. I'm sorry, two of them have 10.5 size. Then we have 11, 11, 11, 12, and 12. So we have 10, 10.5, 10.5, 11, 11, 11, 12, 12. We're going to take the biggest number, which is 12, and we're going to subtract the smallest number, which is 10. 12 minus 10 is 2, so our range is going to be 2. That's it. That's all you have to write, and this. That's it. And that's going to be it for our focus question. Great job.